Hi, welcome back to my channel. Please join me, and today you will see how to crochet amazing lace border. This is my own design. Pattern consists of 4 rows, and for this one I will use 1.4 millimeters crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. To start the work by making a chain of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The foundation chain is ready. Let's crochet the first row. For this, make chain of 6 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the 7th chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make double crochet. Make 3 double crochet more. In total it should be 4 of them. 2, 3, and 4. Well done. Then chain of 3 for the chain space, yarn over the hook. I skip 1, 2, 3, insert the hook into the 4th stitch, make double crochet and 3 double crochet more. 2, 3, and 4. Well done. Then chain of 6 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the hook into the 1st stitch. Make a slip stitch. This is the 1st chain stitch of the work. I'm done the chain space. I joined it, pull a little bit. My row is ready. I turn the work into the chain space, make single crochet, then half double crochet, yarn over the hook, make 7 double crochet into the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've done 7 double crochet. Continue, make half double crochet and single crochet. Here what I have. Insert the hook into the 1st stitch, make a slip stitch. So at this point my row 1 is ready. Let's crochet row 2. Make chain of 3. I did them instead of 1st stitch. Yarn over the hook, make double crochet through the next stitch. And double crochet through the next stitch. Continue double crochet through the next stitch. Chain of 3 and 4 double crochet in a row. Here what I have. Row 2 is ready. Let's crochet row 3 of my lace border. Chain of 6 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn the work, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first stitch, make double crochet. Then 3 double crochet more. In total I have got 4 double crochet in a row. Chain of 3 for the chain space and 4 double crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3, and make the 4th double crochet into the chain stitch. This is my 3rd chain stitch. Don't forget about this chain stitch. Continue working on row 3. You should crochet in the same way as I did in the first row. Chain of 6 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Turn the work. Let's make the joining point. I will not use the slip stitch. Remove the hook. Insert the hook into the stitch of the previous row. Grab the working loop. Pull it through. Like this. This is the chain stitch that I did double crochet into. I will join in the same way in the next row. Work into the chain space. Make single crochet, half double crochet, make double crochet into the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, then chain of 7 for the chain space. I'm done 4 double crochet into the chain space. I will make a chain space and join it to this small motif. This is the previous chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Pull up the working loop. Remove the hook. I count 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the 4th stitch. Grab the working loop, pull it through. Make single crochet with picot into this chain space. 1, 2, 3. Then chain of 3 for the picot and work with a slip stitch into 2 loops of the single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain of 3 for the picot, work with a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. Chain of 3 for the picot, work with a slip stitch into 2 loops. Then 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Well done. I have got 11 single crochet into the chain space. I continue working on my 3rd row. I insert the hook into the 2 loops. Make a slip stitch. Continue working on my trim. make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, well done, then half double crochet and single crochet. Insert the hook into the stitch, make a slip stitch. Row 3 is ready. Here how it looks. Let's crochet row 4. My pattern consists of 4 rows. This is the last row of my main pattern. Make chain of 3, yarn over the hook, make double crochet through the next stitches, 1, 2, and 3. I did in the same way as I did the second row. Then chain of 3 for the chain space and 4 double crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well done. My row 4 is ready. So my pattern consists of 4 rows. Let's repeat the first row of the main pattern. It's gonna be row 5. I will start and you will continue by yourself. I continue working on my lace border. Let's crochet row 5. This is the first row of the main pattern. So I will repeat the first row. Make chain of 6 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn the work. Make 4 double crochet in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Then chain of 3 for the chain space and 4 double crochet in a row. It is not difficult to make. You just need to follow the instruction. So I am done 3 double crochet. Let's crochet the fourth one. Make double crochet into the third chain stitch. Well done. Then chain of 6 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn the work. Remove the hook. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch that I did double crochet into. Grab the working loop, pull it through. Work into the chain space, make single crochet. You should work in the same way as I did here. Half double crochet and 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can mark the fourth stitch if you will not want to count all stitches, so you should mark. Next time you will use this stitch to join the next chain space. 5, 6, 7. Half double crochet and single crochet and slip stitch into the next stitch. Here what I have. Let's crochet row 6. It's gonna be like row 2 of the main pattern. Chain of 3, then 3 double crochet in row 1, 2, 3, chain of 3, 4 double crochet in a row 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm done row 6. So keep working in this way as many times as you need for your pattern. Pattern consists of 4 rows. My lace border is ready. Here how it looks when you are done. Pattern consists of only 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the second repeat. So I remind you, you don't need special skills for this project. You just need to know basic stitches. I recommend you to crochet the whole segment, all 4 rows. To secure the yarn by making a chain, in my case I am done 3 rows of the main pattern. You can use such lace like a border or edging for your project. Also, it can be used like a choker, necklace or belt or another accessories. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. Please write comment below each video what you will get with me and where you will use it. And all additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!